Have you ever wondered why some women seem to unsettle people without saying a word? Could it be that their quiet strength and self-sufficiency shine so brightly that others feel exposed in comparison? And what if the very traits that intimidate others are the same ones that make these women unshakably powerful? Welcome to time-tested advice, where ancient philosophy meets the modern world. I'm your host, Alfred. Let's get started. Marcus Aurelius once said the object of life is not to be on the side of the majority, but to escape finding oneself in the ranks of the insane. Today we explore the intriguing world of the Sigma female. This journey takes us into the heart of an enigma, the Sigma female, a woman who walks her own path, disregards societal norms, and thrives in her solitude. She is the lone wolf of society, a figure of independence and self-sufficiency. She doesn't need the approval of the crowd, nor does she seek it. She's a fortress unto herself, self-reliant and self-confident. She's the epitome of the saying, "I am my own best company." In this world of conformity, she stands out as an individual, a beacon of uniqueness and strength. She doesn't just survive in solitude, she thrives in it. It's a trait that can often be intimidating to those around her. These are the top 10 reasons why people feel intimidated by Sigma females. At number 10, we have independence. The Sigma female is a beacon of self-reliance. She's not one to lean on others for support. Rather, she thrives on her own strength and determination. This independence can be intimidating to those around her, especially to those who are not accustomed to such fierce autonomy. The Sigma female does not shy away from walking her path alone. She is comfortable in her own skin and in her own company. She needs no validation from others to feel complete. She's her own rock, her own pillar of support. Her independence is not something she dons as a cloak. It is woven into the very fabric of her being, a part of her identity. This self-sufficiency can be daunting for some, as it challenges the conventional norms of dependency. In a world that often relies on interdependence, the Sigma female stands out, unapologetically independent. The Sigma female's self-sufficiency is a force to be reckoned with. Number 9 is confidence. When we talk about Sigma females, their self-assuredness is a force to be reckoned with. They carry an inherent belief in their abilities and decisions, which can sometimes be quite intimidating to those around them. Their confidence isn't loud or boastful. Rather, it's a quiet certainty that radiates from within, creating an aura of strength that's palpable to everyone in their presence. They know their worth, and they don't need validation from others to affirm it. This unshakable self-assurance can be daunting for some, especially those who are used to people seeking their approval or validation. Sigma females don't play these games. They are self-contained, confident in their path, and comfortable in their own skin. They don't just walk the walk, they talk the talk, and they do so with conviction. This level of self-belief and self-assuredness can be both awe-inspiring and intimidating. Their confidence is indeed a trait that sets them apart. Number 8 on our list is intelligence. Now, when we talk about Sigma females, we're speaking of individuals with a thirst for knowledge that runs deep. It's a well that never seems to run dry. They are like sponges, soaking up information from every corner they turn, every book they leaf through, every conversation they engage in. Their intelligence, however, isn't just about accumulating facts. It's about understanding, analyzing, and interpreting the world around them. The Sigma female uses her intelligence to navigate her solitary path with grace and determination. She questions, she seeks, she learns, and she grows. Yet this unquenchable thirst for knowledge and the ability to think critically and independently can sometimes be intimidating to others. It's like standing at the edge of a vast ocean, knowing you can't possibly fathom its depths. But for the Sigma female, it's where she thrives. Their intelligence is a testament to their unique personality. Coming in at number 7, we have nonconformity. Sigma females are often seen as nonconformists, choosing to walk their own path rather than blindly following societal norms. This is a trait that can be both admirable and intimidating. You see, they aren't afraid to stand alone or to be different. They have the courage to question and challenge the status quo, even when it's uncomfortable or unpopular. They don't feel the need to fit into a particular mold or to live their lives according to someone else's expectations. This unyielding nonconformity can be intimidating because it forces us to question our own assumptions and beliefs. It makes us uncomfortable because it disrupts our understanding of how things should be. But this discomfort is not a reflection of the Sigma female's character. Rather, it's a reflection of our own insecurities and fears. Their nonconformity challenges the status quo. Number 6 on our list is self-mastery. Now, this is a trait that truly defines the Sigma female. They are masters of their own emotions, actions, and desires, a virtue that can be quite intimidating to those who struggle to find such balance within themselves. Sigma females have the inherent ability to control their reactions even in the face of adversity. They are like the calm in the storm, seemingly unfazed while chaos unfolds around them. Their actions are not dictated by impulsive emotions, but rather by well-thought-out decisions. They understand the power that lies in self-discipline and use it to their advantage. This ability to maintain control, to dictate their own paths, can be overwhelming, even daunting for some. It's not that they are devoid of emotions, but they have mastered the art of not letting their emotions master them. This quality of self-mastery, this ability to remain composed and in control, is not just admirable, it's powerful. Their self-mastery is undoubtedly a trait that sets them apart. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, say hello, and consider subscribing to our channel. And if you'd like to support our channel further, you can find that in the description. At number 5, we have mysteriousness. The allure of the Sigma female lies in part in her air of mystery. She doesn't reveal herself easily, and there's always something new to discover about her. Her private nature, her quiet contemplation, and her self-contained world can both intrigue and intimidate. The Sigma female's mysteriousness comes from her comfort with solitude. She doesn't need constant social validation or the company of others to feel content. This solitary nature can be baffling, even intimidating to those who thrive on social interaction. Her ability to keep her thoughts and feelings to herself, to hold her cards close to her chest, can be unnerving for those used to more transparent interactions. It's like trying to read a book with half the pages intentionally left blank. You're left guessing, imagining, and that can be quite daunting. But for those who appreciate the chase, the puzzle, the riddle, the Sigma female is a treasure waiting to be discovered. Their mysteriousness only adds to their allure. Number 4 is emotional strength. This trait is a cornerstone of Sigma females. They have an uncanny ability to persevere through life's toughest challenges, their resilience unyielding even in the face of adversity. It's not that they don't feel pain or sadness, rather they understand it's a part of life and choose to confront it head-on. Their emotional strength isn't just about enduring hard times, but also about maintaining their cool in stressful situations. They don't let their emotions dictate their actions, making them steady anchors in stormy seas. This emotional fortitude can be quite intimidating, as it's a rare quality that sets them apart. They possess a profound emotional intelligence, allowing them to navigate complex social landscapes with ease. Their ability to maintain emotional equilibrium, even when situations spiral into chaos, is truly remarkable. The Sigma female's emotional strength is not just about resilience, but also about understanding, navigating, and mastering her emotions. Their emotional strength is indeed a formidable trait. Coming in at number 3, we have unpredictability. The Sigma female is a conundrum, a puzzle that's fascinating yet at times bewildering. This is largely due to her unpredictable nature. Her spontaneity, her ability to change directions at the drop of a hat, and her tendency to keep her plans close to her chest all contribute to this air of unpredictability. She's not one to follow a routine or stick to the beaten path. Instead, she thrives on exploration, on trying out new things, on taking the road less traveled. You never quite know what she'll do next, and that can be intimidating. This unpredictability isn't born out of a desire to confuse or mislead, but is simply a byproduct of her independent spirit and her innate curiosity. It's her way of embracing life's uncertainties, of dancing with the unknown. With a Sigma female, you have to expect the unexpected. Their unpredictability keeps everyone on their toes. At number 2, we have authenticity. A trait that is as rare as it is admirable, authenticity is the cornerstone of the Sigma female's identity. In a world where facades and pretenses are the norm, the Sigma female stands out as a beacon of genuineness. They are not afraid to be themselves, to express their unique thoughts and feelings, and to live according to their own rules. This authenticity, however, can be intimidating. It can make others uncomfortable, especially those who are used to hiding behind masks. The Sigma female's honesty and transparency can expose the inauthenticity of others, and that can be a hard pill to swallow. Their refusal to conform to societal expectations can also be unsettling. It challenges the status quo, forcing others to question their own authenticity. The Sigma female's authenticity is not a carefully crafted persona. It's who they truly are. This unwavering commitment to being true to themselves is not just admirable, it's intimidating. Their authenticity is indeed a trait that sets them apart. And at number 1, we have intimidation is a reflection of the observer. You see, when you feel intimidated by a lone wolf Sigma female, it's not really about her, but rather about you. Her independence, confidence, intelligence, and other qualities can be a stark mirror reflecting your own insecurities and perceived shortcomings back at you. It's a classic case of projection where you attribute your feelings and thoughts onto her. Think about it when you feel threatened or uneasy around a Sigma female. It's not because she's doing something wrong or harmful. It's because she's simply being herself. And that authenticity can be unsettling if you're not comfortable with your own. It's a mirror that might reveal parts of yourself you'd rather not confront. So the next time you feel intimidated, pause and reflect. What is it about her that's triggering this response? Remember, intimidation is often a mirror reflecting more about you than them. There you have it, the top 10 reasons why people feel intimidated by Sigma females, from their fierce independence and confidence to the mystery they exude. These unique individuals walk their own path unapologetically. They are intelligent and nonconformist. They've mastered themselves and their emotions, and their authenticity is unshakable. Their unpredictability might throw you off balance, but remember, the intimidation one feels is often a reflection of one's self, not the Sigma female. To this, we can add two more reasons. Number 11 is presence. A Sigma female has an undeniable presence that fills a room, even in silence. She doesn't need to demand attention because her very energy commands it. This quiet magnetism can be unsettling to those who rely on external noise or flamboyance to be noticed, as her power comes from within. Number 12 is boundaries. The Sigma female sets clear boundaries that protect her time, energy, and spirit. She does not bend to please others or sacrifice her values for acceptance. These firm boundaries intimidate those who are used to taking advantage of others' leniency, but they also reveal her deep self-respect and strength. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, say hello, and consider subscribing to our channel. And if you'd like to support our channel further, you can find that in the description. This journey through the intriguing world of Sigma females has hopefully shed some light on what sets them apart. It's not about being better or worse, but about embracing and understanding these differences. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I'm your host, Alfred, and I read every comment.